Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to add friends on Roblox using your Android device. If you're ready to connect with friends and expand your gaming experience, let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on them to open the menu. Next, select Friends from the menu options. This will take you to your friends list. At the top of the screen, you'll find a search bar icon. Tap on it to get ready to find your friend. Now, enter the username of the person you want to add. Make sure you spell it correctly to ensure a successful search. Once you've found their profile, look for the Add Friend button right next to their username and tap on it. And that's it. You've just sent a friend request. Keep an eye out for their confirmation so you can start playing together. Connecting with friends enhances your experience in Roblox, making the games even more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.